Welcome to a new video where we rate all my fashions from my collection. Make sure to stick to the end where we do an unboxing. Let me give you a few reasons why you should carry a tactical flashlight. Number 1, let's take a look at this video.
Fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck is that? Ah! 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 I ain't doing that. That's fucked. I ain't fucking with that, nah.
Oh hell nah, you guys hear that shit? If that guy had a tactical flashlight, he'd be able to light up his target.
Number 2, the Houthi bomb clapper.
If you happen to be out at night, remember you have a tactical flashlight to defend yourself. Let's take a look at this photo. Oh shit, wrong photo. Okay, it's this one right here. Alright, let's get to the tactical video. Let's get to the review. Starting off, we'll take a look at my worky list. 1,800 lumens.
It's Army.
This is definitely a survival tactical ass flashlight.
Oh yeah, it's Army.
This is the flashlight I'd recommend if you're on a budget. It's definitely the most confusing flashlight to work the settings. But I'ma show you how to be tactical in this fucking video. Anyways, check how fucking bright this shit is. Introducing the all-new Sogdark Energy, ready for tack gas, 250 lumens. I bought this flashlight around 8 years ago, and it's fucking mint condition. The only thing wrong with it was my big asshole friend bent the damn clip.
Whoa.
Anyways, let's check how bright it is. Whoa. Fucking Army. We got the OG, introducing the all-new Army upgrades, ready for tack gas. Let me throw in the old clip. Introducing the all-new Army upgrades, ready for tack gas. Comes with all new colors. Looks pretty tack ass, if you know what I'm saying.
Eat.
Let's get down to the specs.
Is it Army?
Oh yeah, it's fucking Army. 250 lumens.
Tactical.
CR123 batteries.
You know what's Army?
5.1 inches.
What the fuck?
These flashlights were discontinued about 5 years ago. I'm pretty lucky to own one. Anyways, let's check how bright it is. Next up, we got my Phoenix.
Tactical Army.
2,800 lumens. Canadian edition. Let me show you the different modes we got. We got low,
Army.
medium,
You know what's Army?
high,
You know what's Army has?
turbo. This is currently the brightest flashlight in my collection.
Holy fuck.
2 buttons on the back of the flashlight to operate it. This is the instant strobe. Now let's take a look how bright it is. Next on the list, the Aurora A3. I bought this flashlight 4 years ago. Big as a AA battery, very compact and nice and bright. 650 lumens. With moonlight mode, medium, high, turbo, and strobe. With this low budget flashlight, you can definitely be tactical fucking Army ass. Don't let the size fool you. With this size and brightness, it's fucking Army ass. Next on the list, the Olight i5T. The Olight i5T is currently my favorite flashlight. It takes 2 AA batteries. Nice long slim design.
Hey yo, boss, what the fuck?
500 lumens. Take a look how bright it is. This video's getting too fucking long, so I'm gonna shorten it up now. Here's my big ass flashlight I bought 10 years ago. 950 lumens.
You know Army made this beat.
Here's the Olight Warrior Mini 3.
Old man.
1,700 lumens.
You know what's Army?
Now let's get to the unboxing. Now let's take a look at all the fascists together. Let me speed this shit up.